Hi guys, so today we are gonna play Build a Boat, and apparently this is my first video on this channel. So go check my shorts out, they're really cool. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot something. So all you just have to do is that, and those little things will stretch it. And this is how I'm gonna get a lot. So yeah, it's easy to do it like that. So we're not building a boat. We're basically just building an airplane, but it's fine. So up there. And I have to grab my finger again. Okay. I'll put it there. So come on. Okay. Oh, a little bit too big. There we go. Right? Okay. And stretch big one. Hurry up. Yeah, don't ignore the things at the background. So we're gonna go for something. Come on. Sorry. Wait a minute. We're just having some difficulties. So there. So put this here. Okay. So now we're gonna put it. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. So we're gonna put something over here. And we're gonna put it in a different color because people will know where you're gonna go. So I'm not gonna trap myself in here. I'm gonna tell you after. Don't tell me what I'm munching on. You actually, who could guess what I'm eating? Will get a shout out. So, oh yeah. So, nope, not there. Let me just, yeah, see? Now I could just do that. And you could just walk through it. You have to put some stuff. Oh, come on. Where is it? Sorry I have to make it so long. Hurry up! Sorry I have a lot of stuff. We're better, yeah. It's like right there, yeah. Okay, now I have to add some stuff. Okay. I better do it. Yeah, so What am I doing? Now I have to do the other one. I know I'm like voice acting it right now. This was like later in the day, so I'm voice acting it right now. Like, I don't know what I was doing. So, yeah, don't blame me for doing it. So, come on. Sorry of the squeaking. Okay, there we go. So this thing will basically let me fly. So we're about to launch it. You ready, guys? Okay. Ready, set, and go. Go. There. So now let's do this. You see, we're flying. So let's do this. Going on a trip in a favorite ship, going through the world. Okay, let's not sing that. Okay, we're going now. I'll be surprised if this thing got views though. Guys, if I need likes, guys. If you just see this video, just give me like a little like and say hi. Okay, down. But so basically, why we're going up and down is nope, I'm not gonna do that. Is because if we don't do that, then we won't get the points for it. So we need the points to get more gold. Oh no! No! Oh snap, it's not good. No, I lost everything. We can still win. We can still win. We're rolling now. With the seat. No, please. Yeah, if you see this video, like and subscribe. It will help me out. No, the wave! Oh, snap. That's not good. Okay, wait. We might be able to pass. Oh, no. I don't have my seat anymore. Oh, no. Oh, no. You see, I don't have a seat inside. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay. So, let me do this. Oh, snap. As we're doing this, I could tell you like what I could sound like. I could sound like Donald Duck. And I could sound like Stitch. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. This is my Stitch water. And I forget. So let's go. We're not doing pretty good though. So, like, I'm gonna hit like 100 subscribers. So please, bro, please, I need the subscribers. So, come on. Okay, we're about to win. We're about to win. Oh no. Wait, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh no. No, please. No, what was I doing? No, now we're back at the end. Oh, that sucks. That suckity sucks. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's not fair. Let's go back on my thing. We just need the boosters. Okay. Now let's go inside. So now we're gonna try to beat the thing. Well, I might not have that much time, so I might have to go soon. So we might not beat it today, but we'll definitely beat it tomorrow. Okay. Here we go. So, yeah. Let's do this. Come on. Is that too loud for you guys? Wait, what if I play a very loud noise that it's so loud that it sounds like we can't even hear it? Okay, good. We did not do that. Make it fall. Please no. Oh no. Oh man, oh no. Okay, wait, no. Are you kidding me? Okay, wait, we might be able to. No, I think that's not good. But at least we could hold. Wait, no. Oh no. We lost our seat. Oh, come on. Because I have to go soon. Are you kidding me? So I'm sorry guys that I have to be this kind of guy who I have to say see you part 2 yesterday. Hey. If you guys hit me to at least 78 views and at least 7 likes. I just need likes, okay? So I bet we got this. Ooh, let's do this. No, are you kidding me? Guys, I have to go. Bye.